Welcome to my channel. Another day, something to learn. Proxy chaining is the practice of using multiple proxy servers in a series to conceal the identity of the original client requesting resources from the internet. Each proxy server in the chain forwards requests to the next, with the final proxy in the chain forwarding the request to the internet resource. This technique is often used to enhance anonymity, as each proxy server in the chain only knows about the previous and next servers in the chain, but not the original client or the final destination server. Proxy chaining can also be used for load balancing, where multiple proxy servers are used to distribute traffic across different resources to prevent overloading a single server. 1. It is important to note that using multiple proxies can add latency to the request, which can negatively impact the performance of the network. Proxy chaining is a technique that can be used to enhance anonymity when browsing the internet. To achieve anonymity in proxy chaining, you can follow a series of steps as outlined in the article titled, Set up Proxy Chains in Kali Linux for Anonymity. 1. Step 1. Getting proxies to set up proxy chains. The first step in achieving anonymity in proxy chaining is to obtain a list of proxies that will be used in the chain. Step 2. Using proxy chains. Once you have obtained a list of proxies, you will need to configure proxy chains to use them. Step 3. Adding proxies to the proxy list. In this step, you will add the proxies you obtained in Step 1 to the proxy list in the proxy chains configuration file. Step 4. Avoiding DNS leaks. DNS leaks can occur when using proxy chains, which can compromise anonymity. To avoid DNS leaks, you will need to configure your system to use a DNS server that is not associated with your ISP. To achieve anonymity in proxy chaining while avoiding DNS leaks, you can follow a series of steps. These steps involve configuring your system and proxy chains to use a DNS server that is not associated with your ISP. Step 1. Choose a DNS server. The first step in avoiding DNS leaks is to choose a DNS server that is not associated with your ISP. You can use public DNS servers, such as Google DNS, 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare DNS, 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1. Step 2. Edit the proxy chains configuration file. The next step is to edit the proxy chains configuration file to specify the DNS server that you chose in Step 1. To do this, you will need to add the following line to the configuration file: proxy_DNS. Step 3. Test for DNS leaks. After configuring proxy chains to use the chosen DNS server, you should test for DNS leaks to ensure that your system is not leaking DNS requests. You can do this by using a tool like dnsleaktest.com or dnsleak.com. Step 4. Use proxy chains with your desired application. Once you have confirmed that your system is not leaking DNS requests, you can use proxy chains with your desired application to achieve anonymity in proxy chaining. Step 5. Running proxy chains. After configuring proxy chains, you can run it to start browsing the internet anonymously. URL: https://www.golinuxcloud.com/setup-proxychains-kali-linux/. 2. You can use it with any TCP client application, even network scanners. Yes. You can make port scan via proxy, or chained proxies, for example with Nmap Scanner by Fyodor, www.insecure.org/nmap. Proxy chains. Nmap Street PO page 80IR. Find some web servers through proxy. You can use it with servers, like Squid, SendMail, or whatever. URL: https://github.com/hard/proxychains. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.